Now it's an interval-based workout, 20 rounds of 110 seconds with 10 seconds to change over. I want you to always sit back as if you're about to sit in a chair, belly button in really tight. That will actually help you with balance. Around, down. Knee in, kick up, come down into a squat and kick to the back. Knee in, kick up, come back into a squat, kick to the back. Curtsy behind, diagonal, fall forward, glute raise. So you across and reach, across and reach. Weights or not. You might want to drop them for the push-up and pick them up again. Down, up, push up, kick up. You want to be stretching long to push up, kick. Okay, so it's up, triceps push up, again, front leg, elbow, back leg, come back up, flip over, touch. Again, front, across, up, bring your knee into the middle, push down, lift the leg, up, across, up, bend, lift the leg, and up, then come forward, just lift off a little bit, up, in, up, come forward or lift off a lot. Okay, we're on to the other side. We're about to get crazy. Yes, we are. Now, I'm going to show you options. We're going to do this, come down, lift, lift, come up, open your legs, come down, lift, lift, come up, out, across, out, across, stretching it out dynamically, forward, reach to the corner, and down, down, and over, stretch your inner thigh, toe down up, feeling your hamstring stretch, and up, again, and your shoulders to compress that.